Welcome. You're watching Lishu Dakram, and once again we have debate. And topic of debate is which mobile phone is better, Android phone is better or iPhone is better. So this team will speak, which is on my right, in the favor of iPhone, and this team will speak in the favor of Android. Okay, let it go.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I am Afsha, and today I am very delighted to get this opportunity to present myself in front of you all. So, we all have gathered here for doing a debate. So, the topic of the debate is about Android phone versus iPhone. Which one is better? So first of all, I want to say you this thing that I am not saying completely that Android phone is not good. It is also better. But if we have to choose only one, so that time iPhone will be more better for you. Because in the iPhone we are getting some extra features which we cannot get in the Android phone. So at first I would like to talk about water ejection. So you know that like if your iPhone goes into the water, so with the help of this feature shortcut app, you can get water out from your mobile phone. Means this feature is not available in the Android phone. And second thing I would like to talk about privacy. In the Android in the iPhone there is high privacy as compared to Android phone. Now you may speak.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. As you all know, my name is Adnan, and today we are here to do a debate on iPhones and Androids, which one is better to use. So let's get started, as she has also told you. So first of all, I will mention about the business strategy of the iPhones. What they actually do. They do nothing except making us fool, and we become the fool. This is the mistake which we do. How I'm telling you, whenever they launch the new mobile phone of themselves, so what they do, they just change they just change the color, they just change the angle of camera, and they just change the size. Sometimes it becomes small and bigger, it happens. And except this, nothing they do. They just keep on launching the mobile phones year by year, and we become the fool. And recently there was a boy who was a teenager. He bought an iPhone and he was a poor boy, and his mother was crying. This is a condition of people that they do not see their condition, but they buy the iPhone just because of showing. They have to show them that we are rich. But if you are rich, you do not need to show that you are rich, because a rich person can be rich whether he is in the short clothes. Okay, but people buy this to just show that they are rich, but they do not look to be rich. And now I will say the statistics of the iPhone. So the global market share of the iPhone is only 28% in the world, and if I talk about in the USA, so it is only 30%. But Android has 70% share market in the USA, because I am saying this especially USA because iPhone belongs to USA. Okay, USA people, they do not use the iPhone, so why should we use? Because they know what's the value of iPhone. They know the value of both of them, but they use more Android than the iPhones. And secondly, I will say about privacy. She's mentioning about the privacy, that privacy is more. So if I mention the privacy, so you know the Indigo website, Indigo, the aeroplane company, right? Recently, a man hacked the Indigo website just to find his lost luggage, and they are talking about the iPhones, that iPhone can't be hacked. NASA was hacked by a kid. They are talking about the iPhone, that iPhone can't be hacked. And if I tell you about the uh, Android mobile phone, so we all are using the Android mobile phone, and did we face any problem regarding the privacy? Of course not. And in the world, people are using the Android mobile phone. Are they facing the problem? No. Now you may speak.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to give answer as he is mentioning about that people only purchase iPhone for showing. I think that you're talking about only mentality. It's not like this. Like if we are purchasing iPhone, so only for showing off. Like Rukaya was also mentioning same thing that people are buying iPhone because of only for showing the poor people. Like if I am rich person, So am I buying iPhone for showing the people that I will go to slums areas and I will show them, look at my iPhone, I have iPhone? Will I show like this? Of course not. It depends on your mentality, that yeah, if we will have iPhone, so that time we will show that yes, we are very rich. It doesn't happen. Okay. And second thing I would like to talk about, that as he was mentioning about that only Apple company is making us fool. It's not like this. Like, I can become fool, my all team member can become fool, but why all the people, all the country, they all are becoming fool? Why means why they can become fool? Even it can't happen that like all people are becoming fool. What about display? What about processor? What about battery? What about updates? What about all the things? So brother, it's not like this. Now you must speak.
Okay, so I mentioned that everything is costly in the iPhones, and I'm not saying this the price of the iPhone is higher than the Android. I'm saying the apps which are paid in the Android and in the iPhone, in both of them, the price in the iPhone is higher than the Android phone. For example, if an app is for 100 rupees, but same app will be found in the iPhone for 150 rupees. This is the cost difference between the iPhone and in the Android, and the app is same, but they take their 30% commission because they have their own systems. And we do not care about that they have their own system or not. We just want ourselves to be safe and to be comfortable. We want we want cheap things, but better. Okay, and Sabha was mentioning about the third party apps, that people can use third party apps. So yes, people can use, but it depends on the user preferences. If they want to use, so they may use, but in the iPhones this is not allowed. And if someone gets a disadvantage of using third party apps, so this is not the fault of the Android phone, this is the fault of the user.
So as you are mentioning about that, it is not fault of mobile phone that they are using, so in which they are using, definitely they are using those apps in Android phone. When Android phone will not allow to use those apps, so why will they use? They have opportunity to use, that's why they are using. And 80% of the people are using that. Why? Because they have opportunity, but in iPhone it doesn't happen.
So does it make sense that if in the world many people have their Android mobile phone, so are they all using the third party app? And if they are using, so it's their choice. Why should we, why should we count them on it? And other thing is about the need. Why do we need iPhones when everything is available in the Android phone, and better things are available in the Android phone? Much more apps are in the Android phone rather than the iPhone mobile phone. You know,
Okay.
wait.
So now,
We do not need the iPhone because everything is available. If we wanna play the game, we can play in the Android mobile phone. If we wanna call, we can do in that. If we wanna do editing of video and photo, we can do in the iPhone. So what's the
okay,
need of the
these all are
iPhone?
very simple and very common features. Like you're talking about editing, these kind of things.
Yeah.
But like you're talking about that, if all apps, all features we are getting in the Android phone, so what is the use of iPhone? I'm not talking. He is mentioning like this. So you know that I would like to tell you that how many features Android companies have copied through from the Apple company. So first is DND, screen recorder, face unlock, and there are many apps. At this time, I don't know, but there are many apps. Like I have counted you. And second thing, he was mentioning about that. Why should we count these all things? Like if they are using third party app, why? First of all, tell me that why shouldn't we count these kind of apps? Means I'm talking about third party apps. Why shouldn't we count? Because these kind of apps means this is the disadvantage of the Android phone. That's why me and my team member, they are mentioning about this thing. Okay.